Hello, I'm Radhika Bhosle, a student of Standard 12 at Sir Parshuram Bhau College, resident of Pune, Maharashtra, and I'm really happy to be a part of this online elocution competition conducted by the Gandhi Research Foundation on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti 2025. And I'm here to address a question which often passes my mind, and I believe so does yours. That is, am I really living? Well, biologically speaking, yes, I'm living. I'm breathing, my heart beats fine, and my brain works perfectly fine. By definition, yes, I'm living. But in my opinion, it's just existing, mere motion. Living is something more than that. It's experiencing, expressing, and enjoying. It's about being in the moment, not just counting days, but making every day count. Yet, when a writer, Albert Camus, in his book The Myth of Sisyphus, describes life as a routine cycle, as he says, a man condemned to roll a stone up a hill only to watch it fall down again. I realize how most of us are just caught in a loop of waking up every day, going to work or college, coming back home late, and repeating this for years. It makes me realize how we are just rehearsing every day for tomorrow. It makes me think of how we are being trapped in this very well rehearsed act set up by these societies, its institutions, the systems and government, which exhausts me and trails me back to the question that, am I really living? If yes, then why am I not happy? Why does happiness comes to me in fractions and not as a whole? Why does satisfaction feel like a facade? And why am I running this race which I don't even have a choice to choose? Which brings me to my next point that I believe is the most essential factor to truly live. That is freedom. Freedom to choose our own path, freedom to live as our truest selves, and freedom that is not confined to the privileged but owned by every. Today, most of us are being distracted by comfort, entertainment, and routine, failing to realize that we are losing our freedom. These politics and policies trying to divide us, the rules and systems forcing us into competitions, reducing us to nothing but race horses competing with each other, seeing nothing but the end line, blurring the vision completely of all the beautiful life around us and its experiences. But this doesn't just end with humans. Even the animals and nature are being trapped in this cage, whom I believe are really living their life are the ones who set these systems up. The privileged who do not run in these races. They sit behind as spectators and only watch and enjoy it. And seeing this in front of my eyes as youth, I really think sometimes that, am I really living? Is this the kind of life I want to live? And what about all the people outside who are already living it without realizing it? If living is about survival, then yes, I'm living, we all are living it. But if it's about joy, connection, meaning, and most importantly, freedom, then I believe, including me, most of us are just existing. Well, we can make these minor rebellions that we can pause, we can choose, we can think, we can question, feel or create, but all of these are just temporary ways to feel, to experience life. But these systems need big changes, a power that does not lie in a single hand but multiple hands joined together. And if this does not happen, I think for all of the people around, the same question will echo in their minds forever. That, am I really living? Thank you.